Hello, this is Frida. Here is the cardigan that I have designed for plus size. Look, the sleeves are long. I wanted 3/4, but it's cotton. After blocking, it did get longer, so that's a good thing. This is just great. It's so light. And here's the collar. I did 22 rows, just to point out. 22 rows. I could have done more, but I thought that would be enough. Then it would get heavy, right? But it turned out pretty good. Let me just show you. I did the crochet, single crochet 1 chain. The back where I joined the 2 pieces, so it's single crochet again. I just love it how it turned out. I love the colors, how it started from lime green and the color changed. I had to use a different yarn because being a plus size, and it's pretty long, as you can see. See? It's not that short, like it's not crop, or it's pretty long. I do have several tutorials on how to crochet this, so I will pin them on the comments, so it would be easy for you to find them. Yeah. I used a simple stitch, 5-row repeat, and I just love it how it turned out. So I hope you like this fashion show. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit the notification button so every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You guys take care. Stay tuned for my new upcoming videos. Happy crocheting!